Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put VW Jetta in neutral without key, full guide. Locate the shift release slot near the shifter, remove the plastic cover with a thin tool, depress the manual release, and move the shifter into neutral while keeping the brake engaged for safety. If you encounter resistance, stop and consult a professional or tow service to avoid damage. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along confidently. Start by prioritizing safety and preparing your workspace so you can work calmly and securely. Put the parking brake on, chock the wheels, and ensure the ignition is off to avoid electrical surprises. Have a friend nearby to help and call for professional assistance if anything feels stuck or damaged. I will narrate each action slowly and clearly so you can follow without rushing and keep both hands steady during the process. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and tap like so we can keep making practical how-to videos you enjoy. On another note, I recommend the Kindle Paperwhite for relaxed reading while you wait at the shop or during long trips. It pairs well with a service appointment or a quiet road trip pause. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Gather the right tools and set yourself up for a smooth procedure with minimal risk of damage. Use a thin flathead or trim tool, wear gloves to protect your hands, and have a flashlight to illuminate the release slot. Work gently and document each step with quick photos so reassembly is straightforward. If anything jams, stop and call a pro to prevent costly interior or transmission damage and keep yourself safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.